Hi everybody, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will share with y'all how to make the best and tasty fried rice recipe at home. The ingredients I use for this recipe will be listed in the description box down below with its measurements. In my wok, I just added a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated up, I went in with my chopped red onion, grated garlic cloves, and I also have some grated ginger. This should be cooked for about 2 minutes over medium-high heat. Now let's go in with the vegetables. I am working with frozen mixed vegetables, which consist of carrots, peas, green beans, and sweet corn. At this point, the vegetables should be well cooked, and so I will go in with the rice. This rice I cooked the same day I made this fried rice recipe. You can use any rice to make your delicious fried rice recipe, such as basmati rice, white long grain rice, brown rice, and others. If you're using a day-old rice, there will be clumps, and therefore you will need to press it with a wooden spoon to separate the rice grains. So as you can see, at this point, the rice grains is nicely separated. And next, I will go in with some dark soy sauce, which will help darken or stain the rice. The more the dark soy sauce, the darker the outcome of the rice. I also have some light soy sauce. You don't want to use too much of it. Flip and toss the rice so it's cooked evenly. Just look at the gorgeousness of the rice. Now, to give the fried rice a depth of flavor, I will add a bit of southern fried seasoning and 2 shrimp cubes, then mix again. So you can use any protein or seafood of your choice to make a delicious fried rice recipe. As you can see, it's nicely combined. Let's go in with some scallions for garnish and mix again. Just look at the gorgeous outcome of the rice. Food is ready and it's time to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.